Software Spring. Presents. What is relative, absolute, or mixed cell reference in formulas in Google Sheets? Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on relative, absolute, and mixed cell reference. Let's get started and find out about the three types of cell referencing with examples. Relative cell reference. A cell address in a formula is relative by default. A cell address in a formula changes if it is copied to another location. Example. To illustrate relative cell referencing, let me add 50 to each of these numbers. Let me type this formula. I will click the tick mark to autofill these cells with the formula. Alright, let's me click some of these cells to take a look at the formula. Cell address is A3. Cell address is A5. Cell address is A7. The cell address in the formula changes if it is copied to another cell. Summary. A relative cell address is relative to the location of the formula. Absolute cell reference. An absolute cell address in a formula does not change even if it is moved or copied to another location. Example. With reference to this data, assume that the total price is the buy price plus the tax on the buy price. I will type this formula. Now, let me copy the formula to this cell, without making any changes. The total price is incorrect, because tax has not been added to the buy price. Let's fix the formula by making the address of cell D10 absolute, so its address does not change when the formula is copied down these cells. Alright, click here and press F4 to make the address absolute. The dollar symbols indicate that the address is absolute. The modified formula is. Press Enter. Moving forward, let me copy the formula again. There you go. The total price now includes the tax. Summary. In an absolute cell reference, both column label and row number is absolute. Mixed cell reference. A cell address in a formula will be mixed if either its column label or row number is absolute. Example. Consider this range of data. Assume that you want to calculate the total amount of buying different quantity of shares at different prices. I will type this formula. Alright, let me copy the formula as is to this cell. The value in this cell is the product of this value and this value. But we want to multiply this value with this value. So, what we need to do is to lock the column label. First, click here, and press F4 thrice. The modified formula is. Press Enter. OK, now the result is, as desired. What happens if I copy the formula to this cell? Let's find out. The result is not as intended, because the row number is not locked. To lock the row number, first click this cell, so the formula is displayed in the formula bar. Click here, and press F4 twice. The final formula is. Copy the formula down and across the other cells. There you go. The cell address, with a mixed cell reference, has yielded the required output. Summary. In a mixed cell reference, either the column label, or row number, is locked. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.